You've awarded your job and it's time to get to work. After awarding your job, your freelancer will receive a message notifying them they've been selected. From here, the freelancer will accept or adjust the final terms of the job so that both of you are on the same page regarding cost, deliverables, and schedule of the job. There are two types of jobs on Elance: fixed price and hourly. For fixed price jobs, you'll work by milestones and your freelancer will report progress with weekly status reports. If the job is hourly, your freelancer works by the hour and tracks their time with our tracker feature. Timesheets will be created automatically and submitted weekly to you for automatic payment. You can best manage a fixed price job by following a few important steps. On fixed price jobs, it's a good idea to set up an initial conversation to discuss the milestones and schedule. Milestones define the amount of funds that will be held in escrow while the work is being done, so it's important to identify points along the way when you expect your freelancer to deliver work. Agree to the milestone schedule by communicating with your freelancer in the workroom. For fixed price jobs, funding milestones is the key component for Elance escrow protection. After awarding your job, you'll be prompted to fund the first milestone. Once funds have been placed in escrow, you'll see a green checkbox under the Fund Escrow column in the Billing and Invoices page. Now, with funds securely committed, your freelancer can begin work knowing funds are in place. Ask your freelancer to use the project workroom for regular status reports. Sending status reports is not only important to keep everyone up to date, it also serves as an official record of work completed. Your freelancer should upload any completed work to the workroom, at which point they'll mark the milestone as 100% complete. This triggers a request for you to release funds from escrow. Before releasing funds, make sure you review the work to ensure it's what you and your freelancer agreed to. After approving the work, click to release the funds and your freelancer can begin working on the next milestone after you fund it. If the work isn't what you agreed to, don't release escrow and communicate with your freelancer to discuss next steps. If you're managing an hourly job, make sure to follow these tips. For hourly jobs, you'll want to agree on the number of authorized hours you want your freelancer working per week. These authorized hours can be adjusted during the project, but you'll want to set up these initial terms before getting started. When your freelancer uses Elance's Tracker with WorkView feature, this automatically records time and sends it to you in the form of a timesheet. WorkView takes 5 random screenshots per hour and streams them into your WorkView section of the job's workroom. This allows you to ensure the timing billed to your job is accurate and relevant to the job by actually seeing what's recorded during these hours. If there are any hours logged using the tracker, Elance will submit the timesheet to you on Monday morning. You'll have 5 business days to review the timesheet, at which point it will be paid automatically the following Saturday. It's important to review timesheets so you're sure to only pay for time spent on your job. With Tracker, you don't need to worry about chasing freelancers for timesheets. Elance takes care of it for you. A few reminders to keep in mind. Sometimes, changes to the size and scope of a job happen. Be sure you and your freelancer modify the terms of the job in the workroom and terms and milestones page to track any changes agreed upon. If it's a fixed price job, this means adjusting or creating new milestones. If it's an hourly job, this means the number of authorized hours. Remember, both of you will need to agree to any changes to the terms before they're official. As the job develops, it's important to use the workroom for all communication and agreements, as well as delivery of files whenever possible. This is the only unalterable official record of the work performed and serves as an archive you can refer to during any renegotiations and future agreements. If you have additional colleagues who will help manage the job for you, use the Team feature to add users to your account. You can assign them roles to assist with management of your Elance account, as well as individual jobs. Each user will have a unique login username and password. Congratulations! You've completed your first job on Elance. Check out our next video for an overview of your payment options.